Showings start tomorrow, Sat.at 10 a.m. Brick traditional west/community pool literally next door. All new wood floors up and down, new kitchen cabinets and countertops, interior paint, etc. Huge primary bedroom DN west/coffered ceiling and luxury bath. 2 BRs up west/Jack and Jill bath. Dual HVAC replaced 2015, tankless water heater in 2017. Open floor plan with large great room west/coffered ceilings, fireplace and a wall of windows overlooking a nice size yard. Over $75,000 in repairs after water leak in May 2021.